What's up? I'm Timo FPV, and today is going to be kind of a different video. We're not going to fly, we're not doing the trick wheel or anything like that. I just want to do a recap of 2024, and then a future kind of 2025, what I'm going to do, and what you can expect from this channel. First, we started the channel on January 9th, where I got my first subscriber, which was actually myself, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if that counts. By February 7th, we had 5 subs, which was awesome. February 1st, I got my first dislike, which I thought was funny. Which I don't care very much about dislikes. I mean, you don't like it, it's fine. Then, new to FPV, that video, which I published on February 25th, that was the first 100 view video. And then February 29th, I got 20 subs. March 16th with the video FPV is Full of Stress, that hit 1,000 views, which is my first 1,000 view video. April 9th, we reached 50 subscribers, which some guy also commented and told me to stop smoking weed, which I thought was pretty funny. I don't smoke or do drugs or alcohol or anything like that, but I can see why you would say that. May 21st, I got my first 100 subscribers. The Rubik's Cube, that video, that's where I reached 100 subs. July 12th, we reached 160 subs, and that was when, after that video, I took a break. Just couldn't make any videos. I was the camera kind of broke and the GoPro wasn't working, so I had to take a break for a bit. And then December 8th, the next time I uploaded, got 200 subscribers, which was awesome, and the laser flip video, which I think I published on December 8th or 9th or one of those days, reached 2,000 views. So that's my first 2,000 view video, which was fantastic, which was really cool. That's 2024, 1 year, 0 subs to 240 subs at the time of this video, and it's really awesome. I just want to say thank you. I never thought anyone would watch the videos, and I know some people don't like the videos. I think some people wish I was a better pilot, but that's the whole point. I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to improve. Like in the last video, the juicy eject. A lot of people, there's a lot of confusion. It's not really like a trick. It's just on the wheel. I take all the tricks from this one channel. I'll put it right here. The headmaster, I don't know how to say his name, but all the tricks come from his playlists of beginner, intermediate, and advanced tricks. And so he has a juicy eject, so I put it on there. It's not very exciting to look at, but it's still, I'm still counting it. Alright. But they're not all like that, so it's fine. With that being said, there are some things that I want to talk about before I talk about 2025 and what I want to do. So, on one of my videos, I complained that I was cold and I had to take off my gloves. Someone, and I'm going to put their comment right here, they suggested I get these ice fishing gloves, and you can see it comes out. So these are gonna feature in the next video. I'm gonna use these. Very excited to try them with the radio. Alright. With that being said, I want to talk about 2025. So obviously, I think the biggest goal that I have for 2025 is to finish the 64 tricks. To finish the wheel, finish it all up. I'm very excited. I think I have a really good idea for the last video, the last trick. It's gonna kind of a finale. I'm very excited about that. But I gotta get there. It's gonna take a while, but I want to do that this year. That's 2025. What I want to do. Also, I'd like to see the channel reach 500 subscribers. I think that's a good mark to aim for. Maybe more, but we'll see. And then, at some point during the year, I'd like to build a quad. I'd like to build another 5-inch, kind of get some more batteries. So maybe we can try some, a new setup. Because this drone I have, here, let me, that setup is just constantly breaking and constantly falling apart. So I wanna try to get a new one. I'm trying to get a new, but if I don't, I'll make it work. And so yeah. With that being said, those are my goals for 2025. Just want to say thank you again for anyone who subscribed, liked, commented. I appreciate it. It really helps out the channel. So if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to see what 2025 brings us, and drop a like. And then I just want to say Merry Christmas. This is gonna be my last video for 2024. Next video will be the beginning of the year, whatever Friday or Saturday that is. And then yeah, so comment down below. I am curious though, this is a genuine, I am curious. Comment down below what's on your FPV wish list, right? Your Christmas list, because Christmas is almost here. Right? What's on your FPV wish list? I want to know, I'm curious. So with that being said, I just want to say, from me to you, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.